All right, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily duplicate a page on your website. So let's say you were working on a landing page and you needed to create a second landing page that was maybe for another part of the process, the flow, or you had an A/B split that you were testing. So this is the easiest way to do that. First of all, make sure you're logged into the site, and then you just, on the page you want to duplicate, go up to InfiniBuilder, and we'll just click that to edit it. And then we'll actually just go over here to this section. We have this little drop down under the tool section. You're going to say duplicate layout. All right, if you haven't used it before, you're going to get a little tool tip. And then we're just going to name this duplicate. I don't get paid to type. All right. And then we'll just launch the InfiniBuilder. And there we go. This is actually a completely different page. This is the contact us duplicate. And we can just take this and move it around, change it however we want. And then when we're done, we just hit done. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we'd be happy to help.